Hey Spice World fans! Today we're going to be making a quick, tangy, creamy jalapeno ranch dip. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it, so let's get going. We'll start by adding 8 ounces of softened cream cheese to a large bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of chopped pickled jalapenos, 8 ounces of mayonnaise, and of course 1/4 of a cup of our new easy onion. We'll round it off with 2 packages of ranch dressing mix, 2 teaspoons of Spice World garlic, and finally 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. Now we mix. We found that a hand mixer does a great job, but you can certainly use a whisk too. Pour all that goodness into a serving bowl and pop it into the refrigerator for at least an hour, just so all those flavors can get to know each other. Once out, top it off with some chopped green onion, and voila! Serve it with your favorite chip, cracker, or veggie, and enjoy this creamy jalapeno ranch dip made with Spice World garlic and easy onion.